everyone. While most colleges are enjoying their summer vacation, something exciting has been happening at Vedam. From 18th May to 26th June, we are running an intensive ICPC Bootcamp. And students have chosen to stay on campus during their holidays to be a part of it. For the past few weeks, we have been learning data structures and algorithms with Pankaj sir and Subish sir, preparing for one of the world's most prestigious programming competitions, the ICPC. But wait, that's not all. We are also getting a special learning experience with Aman Kumar, an ex-Microsoft engineer, through a multi-day session. Now, let's go and hear from the students what they think about spending their holidays solving some of the toughest coding problems.
Honestly, opportunities like this don't come around very often. When I came to know that we will be learning advanced DSA and things like competitive programming, I knew I wanted to be here.
Most students start exploring these areas much later in college, but we are getting this exposure in the very first year. And honestly, spending few weeks of my vacation here felt like a worthwhile investment. And these skills are going to stay with us throughout the journey.
So I started competitive programming about 6 months ago. So now there was like quite a trouble coming. I was not able to figure out where to go and how to build my logics. So I felt stuck. This competitive programming bootcamp really helped me, gave me direction, also helped me to understand the concepts more clearly and with more clarity. Solving a question now feels more interesting. Giving hours to decode it is very much likely to be in this competitive world.
ICPC is much more than a programming competition. It challenges students with complex problems and helps them think critically to solve these problems under time constraints. In this bootcamp, our focus is to build a strong foundation for our students so that they can confidently participate in all these competitions and overall they can be strong engineers. We are going to teach our students advanced data structures like segment tree, fenwick tree, sparse table, and advanced algorithms like square root decomposition, and also we are helping them with game theory, dynamic programming, and help them how to find out which problems to use and which algorithms to use to solve all those problems with these advanced data structures.
So, hi Subish sir, most students don't start learning advanced DSA this early. What are your thoughts on our students beginning this journey before even stepping into the second year?
So that's the most exciting part about this bootcamp. You know, competitive programming and advanced problem solving are the skills that takes a lot of time to develop. The earlier the students will start, the more time they have to excel in these skills. By learning these concepts in their first year, they are not just preparing for competitions like ICPC, but rather they are developing a skill that will help them in software engineering, technical interviews, and overall in their career progression. The goal isn't to solve the problem only, but rather to build that problem solving capabilities that will compound in 4 years.
We are now around 15 days into the bootcamp. Students have already spent weeks diving deep into advanced DSA and competitive programming. But the next phase is something everyone has been looking forward to. For the next few days, we will be learning with Aman Kumar, an ex-Microsoft engineer. Now, let's hear from Aman sir what students are going to work on during these sessions.
Hi everyone, I'm Aman. I'm a computer science graduate from IP University Delhi, currently working as a software engineer. My journey into tech actually started during college when I cracked Microsoft intern in my third year, which eventually got converted into a full-time role, making it a pivotal point of my life. At Microsoft, I was part of web services team focused on making Azure as the best cloud for SAP. Over the years, I've also cracked multiple other product-based companies which helped me deepen my understanding of software engineering. I actually got to know about ICPC only towards the end of my second year. So seeing students here already preparing for it from their first semester is very amazing. In the first year, students have real uninterrupted time to build fundamentals, do experiments, and improve without much pressure. When you start in your second or third year, your focus naturally gets divided between CP, internships, job preparation, and other things. Because of starting early, I see more excitement towards ICPC, which makes the whole process enjoyable rather than stressful. This week, we are not focused on building a single project. Instead, the objective is to strengthen the students' competitive programming fundamentals in a way that actually helps them in ICPC. We have structured this week as a focused 5-day plan. For the first 2 days, we'll actually be working on interactive problems of platform like code courses. These problems train students to solve problems in real time, identify uncertainty, and effectively communicate solutions with the system. The next 2 sessions are for game theory, which helps them go deeper into understanding strategical problems, optimal moves, reasoning under constraints. These concepts often become very important in contests like ICPC. For the final session, I'll be giving a lecture on Gen AI. We'll talk about how Gen AI is being used in modern engineering, how engineers in today's engineering landscape are using AI for productivity and problem solving.
My biggest takeaway was how top programmers think. We generally just quickly jump into the solution. But Aman sir showed us how experienced engineers first try to deeply understand the problem before jumping into the solution. And this change in mindset was my most valuable lesson learned from this bootcamp.
Learning from Aman sir was a completely different perspective because he was connecting everything with the real engineering experience. He wasn't just teaching us concepts, but also he was showing us how strong problem-solving skills are used in industries, interviews, and large software development. And learning from person who has worked in Microsoft changes the environment completely.
When this bootcamp started, we knew it would be challenging. Over the last few weeks, we have learned advanced DSA concept, solved complex problems, explored competitive programming, and learned from mentors with both industry and academic experiences. And most importantly, we have built habitats of consistent practice, problem solving, and logical thinking. And while this bootcamp come to an end, the journey definitely isn't. Our preparation for ICPC and competitive programming will continue throughout the year as we keep learning, competing, and pushing ourselves to higher levels. This was just the beginning.